Ose tani owo NPP mu eya aboa dabi tani bia odon NPP party eya tani ya woni mu nyansa aban a otimi di free secondary school ba ma tani ba ekobi ti tani bia wo NPP mu eya tani a oni mu nyansa na dwene mu do na dwene mu abobew ye nyansafo ene wo NPP mu wati de me kire wona se NPP party ni nya
abuzafoɔ mu nyina makwaba ediba Ghana nsɛm TV so wɔn mo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature about so bit makabina so akyere wadwen or comment section dem say the munim dan efem Mr President baby home be from Mr President ameje oso o text me Mr President or comment section ameje oso who see me TikTok na pa Mr President ameje oso sa koye de o baby agenda NPP so the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi they were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebuidi. Ya many am for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Umbo Yama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man your 7 a.m. Eye daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint na ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Kwasiampani. Ose tani owo NPP mu eya aboa dabi tani bia odon NPP party eya tani ya woni mu nyansa aban a otimi di free secondary school ba ma tani ba ekobi ti tani bia wo NPP mu eya tani a oni mu nyansa na dwene mu do na dwene mu abobew ye nyansafo ene wo NPP mu wati de me kire wona se NPP party ni nya aban a beji sika kotowi cigarette na twese kan bedi yachi dabi enti ntafu animu nyansa na wo NPP party mu ma men kan kire wona Kevin Amatela wo si yakochi ba omia ba wonzongo na ya wonwanwa se ntafu edi NPP achi agimi aban no onu timi di policy ba emu onu tani hiani wa abanya bi eko nyamfa so wo sa aban no so no that means say sa tani no ehunu nyansa ti tani bi owo NPP mu eye tani a woni mu nyansa na dwene mu abobew ene wo NPP mu enti uba wona enimu nyansa no omuntimi ma NPP mu aha omu amode cigarette ene manches enchene kodada omu no omu negu NDC party mu no so many years ya yenuanom silemfuo di mochi ede ya no omanya ti sremni bi owo NPP party mu eye sremni a oye nyansafo na wodwene ne madaache wodwene ono ankasa na daache san sremfuo no na wo NPP mu abua dwan kwasiampani a wo kwasia to atesa wo mampani kofo abreso ena wo se kwasiampani no yi ne two wo se jimifo no ofre ne ho so wo hene no mampani kofo abreso wo se kwasiampani no kofo na wudi na tem no ono na ma wo se aboa no yi ne two jimifo Second wo press conference. NPP party.
And what I make say your flag bearer in opposition.
Now what Timmy Dwene and wo NPP party mu.
He believes say
onya tani ya yedi Manchester adaka illegal mining. Onya tani ya yedi nchene and dada no man to aba. Onya tani ya yedi cigarette na dada no apete dabi oya tani ya sabi na dream about picture nti unimu ni enti antafo di NPP party achia ma menkyere wo ne na menkyero kofuo policy o de baaye kofuo mampani kofuo bedi ade policy akofuo de baaye no yenuanom ntafo yenuanom tafo ya de hye ntafo ena benefit more entitani bi owo NPP party mi ya tania mese onimu nyansa na onim abatoɔ so mfasoɔ na open bada achine ne ono ankasa nkanko ena wo NPP party mu omu egu NDC party ni mu no ene won a modern enchene ne manches edada omo unimu nyansa oye kwase yampani ti abere bia no open krofo a sabi ebekọ akoto aba ma aban a woni hyehyeye aban a woni botaye ma oman Ghana na ade ebechi yede oman no taxpayers money betua wo aboa seika na omagu sire so ne ya nantwie ne mmoa anum nsuo eno na wope na wobetena TV station so na wo kan kwase asem ntafo nkoto aba na John Mahama mfa yen taxpayers money emehwe wo aboa sei kwase ato sei na ntafo ngusire so ya domo bayire aburo yenya atofo na omu usu wo jimifo saa no bosome so a ne yatua woka aboa dwan sei titani bi oto abama NPP aban eye tani a oye nyansafo na nadwiri mu do na onim ni ekoso wa abrabom ena to abama NPP party na ya meya se Ghana fo asala ya akoto aba na wenum na edi sabi awiemu amuko gina ya to aba so mfaso sankwasiafo we yen resources e wo man we mu ya de hwa mmoa we num mmoa kwase ato sei jimifo sei babuna asori anopa akoto aba se wo pa adwuma wenum ne ya de Ghana sika ebo omo ho bra ena mabunu gufie wona ya adwuma ye ntu omoka koko akuafo amosori se mokoto aba we na mokoto aba ma omo kwasiafo we mu na mokoto aba Ghana yen sika we mu ne yedi tu omoka koko akuani ahye ngurem ado ne mowerewu abepem ne yen tua ne ka kwasia we ne yedi Ghana sika tua ne ka.
Thank you to the proper thank you to of President Mahama. Proper thank you to President Mahama as President flag bearer. What cannot be said because we can say it. A proper thank you of President Mahama. Not the curtain raiser one. Not the curtain raiser one.
Say yewra sie dun ketia etoto emane eye haruna idrusu ene de adaga yewra muntaka no na mo so etoto ede ma yewra eye esie dun ketia me mediki aka se NDC for eja eda NDC party ni mu no se ya de se mudi moni ehu na nka samre Ghana for mu nyina mate ase se NDC party no agu na ensema ekoso we nyina anya nsem bia se enche na NDC omo ba beto eye aba akwakoyi nipa obedi omanim ede omako 2028 ye NPP for the ye no matter nipa NDC for ede ne beba no Dr. Baomia ebe biti se nipa no na eno na enem so ama NDC party no say ukoduru mu a ye wode S3nds nketia faction ye wode Haruna faction ye wode Ato Force faction ye wode Vice President faction enam so ama division bebre apa party nim na NDC national chairman S3nds nketia o say ono anagina mu ema ye yi Haruna Idrusu eni muntaka free parliamentary leadership because at that time no ono netina ase do won so on the coach omo ho den eno ma the President John Dramani Mahama ye den elutu omo edi obu free one edi new faces ye den e baaye eno ne nam so ama samre ya kasai yewura Haruna Idrusu ene eye S3nds nketia omo ntem no aye gidigidi aye den e wo ho no batasema ye ka kire NDC party ni nyina ne say Ghana for they are fed up, they are tired with the NDC because mo promise Ghana for some mo 24-hour economy and a 24-hour economy in war. Mo promise necessary or mo automatic nursing posting and anyone yentimin teachers ka yentimin koko for ka mo dia na ya esanse yewra eriko pokuni Ato Forcing or mo ko jira hon mo ka say yewra kufu wa koko for krono and nti e be ya kono mo nkwaje o mo nsesa ebesi samre momo ba ye matimi ati kokofo sika so o mu sika so ese de mo ma yintimi mfa mom enu nti sese ukopia NDC party mu dia ejakase pa na eda NDC party nim asema ye ka che NDC grassroots nyina ne se empanyimfo da mu eko e wo soro honom na mo amwo fom no ede na mo beye monso na munya bi diye monso na mabre monso na ya bomo monso na makwatena pick up to akoye eyezu eyeza ebesi samre mo frem panyimfo ye kro mo mfa enu na kira say o serve panimu anase o serve a political party a na wahwe ye enye political party bia na ye serve no especially political party bi to say NDC obunya party omobo omodine Ghana for ho obunya party omobo omodine amomanfo ho ene NDC grassroots bi esu na say na entokwa na start say eba no de ene mo be su ache papa
as ye coming now as of 2025 726 in fact around this time 800 billion Ghana cedis. Na this year they can hold any ye kwa ahe.
Na minister na adwuma ya me yen ntino me Rock City no me madwin is amount for management and I'm very happy with them. 14 companies 2021 in a bid year. I knew about the bid.
Okay.
But I mean a bay. About second time 2020 manji post. Until almost call through process na and almost shortlisted 3 companies. Smith. After 3 years, 2.5 years, open tender. A biographic movie, and almost shortlisted 3. Into 3 companies, almost shortlisted. Now Rock City Kahubi. There was nothing wrong with the transaction until Midimba up for vice president. And the Bay issue.
Was this an agenda?
Then I'll carry Ghana honey away.
Doctor, who can say Ghana honey? Who understand you? Was this an agenda?
From 2021, there was nothing wrong with the Smith go through processes now from 14 companies, almost only so about 3 open. Probably be anyhow. Me be a minister April 2023. Almost started at the end of 2021. 2022. 2023 April. And I'm a minister. Internal Rock City was part of 3 now my shortlist. You know. It took 1 year, 2024, and no more enter negotiations. No problem be any. Kopim da, I became one of the potential names for vice president. And about for Kofa and no Edibai. And then Smith announced to say, that's so partners. I'm called parliament on this, I'm so partners. Because hotels in our essay. Ye castle woman declare profit 2024. Mubian who declare profit. None of the we declare profit ko check it. Smith that's what tia e binu so light bills be seen. Omufa pensioners can ma ko tia light bill. So yes, time wa me be a minister 2023 no. Na be a transaction e do no. Me ya hwehwe because it started 2021 I go through processes nisa asembia ni ho 2023 kwa me be a minister asembia ma ho 2024
I won't say no way threatened. So was it within the party in a banner sana?
Wa kika unse mum na.
Me no ge me no me no na ji
ko. Wa kika unse mum na wa.
Na ma me bisa.
Blame it on the rain. Do you remember that song? This is what they do. This is how politics has become. And then they say that politics is dirty. Politics is not dirty. It is bad people who create that impression. Politics is not dirty. This politics that you've done, this kind of politics you've done, you are depriving old people. You see, if it was in some country, we'll take an impeachment process to parliament because you are depriving old people of their money. SNIT is a national backbone. You are depriving SNIT of money to satisfy your ego, your caprices and whims. You want to satisfy that ego and to bring down another. Ghana, we like that too much. The new generation is not like that. The youth are not like that. I see they push up each other. They're not like that.
chairman. Former NCA board chairman, only a member of this government, went to complain